Welcome to our channel Beyond Borders Content. As you know, having a compelling description is key to getting more views and engagement on YouTube videos. However, not everyone has the time or expertise to craft the perfect description. That's where we come in. In this video, you will learn step by step how to use ChatGPT to improve video descriptions. Once we've created the sample descriptions, I will show you how to find YouTubers who could benefit from them and how to reach out to them via email. We'll cover the do's and don'ts of outreach and give you some tips for crafting effective emails that will get the attention of the YouTubers you're targeting. So if you're ready to make money with Chat, let's get started. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can be used to engage in conversations with people through text. To use ChatGPT, a person can simply type in a question or statement and ChatGPT will generate a response based on its understanding of human language and knowledge of a wide range of topics. The person can continue the conversation by responding to ChatGPT message, and the cycle continues until the person is satisfied with the answers or the chat is terminated. ChatGPT can be used for various purposes such as getting answers to questions, brainstorming, generating ideas, or even just for fun. We will request ChatGPT to compose a video description for the video of our choosing. I have selected one of my own videos, and you will need to copy and paste the video title, while also reviewing the video description or outline for additional information. If the YouTube title is insufficient, you should gather as much information as possible. You will then use the method that I am demonstrating to request ChatGPT to generate the video description. I suggest copying and pasting the content to a Word document, with a clear before and after comparison for your client's convenience. The next step is reaching out to a YouTuber, which is fairly simple. Just go to their channel, click on their username, go to About, scroll down, and click View Email Address. Once you have a sample of your work ready, send a friendly email to the YouTuber. We can ask ChatGPT to generate an email template for updating a YouTube channel's video description. So, kindly request ChatGPT to create an email template for me to use when reaching out to YouTubers to update their video descriptions. Here is an email template provided by ChatGPT. Simply copy and paste it and send it to any YouTubers you think might benefit from this service. This is the method I use to earn money. I message YouTubers and offer to edit their video descriptions for just $3. As a result, I received requests from multiple YouTubers, with one asking me to edit 5 videos, another requesting 12, and several others asking for 20 videos each. In total, I am currently receiving around 300 video editing requests per day. All descriptions I did through ChatGPT. I kept offering YouTubers every single day. Boom. I made $900 just in a few hours. Now I have 6 YouTubers on hand. Some YouTubers know what ChatGPT is, but they have no time to go back to change all descriptions, so they do not care to pay $3 for each video. Consider offering a service for YouTubers. Many of them may need help writing effective video descriptions. To summarize, you've found a video to work on, created a sample, and learned how to obtain the email address. Simply repeat this process multiple times, and you'll eventually find a few YouTubers willing to work with you. Trust me, it works. I hope you found the strategies and tips provided in this video to be valuable and insightful. If you would like to know other strategies, I wrote an ebook about making a passive income with ChatGPT. Please check out my ebook. It is available on Amazon Kindle, and I added the link below. In my ebook, you will learn another 8 strategies for generating income through the use of this powerful language model ChatGPT. Each strategy will be explained in detail and accompanied by examples to help you understand how to implement them in your own projects. Thank you for watching this video on how to make money with ChatGPT. I hope you found the information useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I will do my best to answer them. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a thumbs up. Your support will help me create more content like this in the future. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.